What's up, guys? I just want to say thank you for helping me reach 100 subscribers. That really means a lot to me. It really means a lot to me that you guys are taking the time to watch the videos, to subscribe, to gain the content I provide out to you guys. It really means a lot that you guys are actually watching the videos and seeing the progress that you guys have sent me. So it really means a lot to me that you're still supporting me, and I hope you guys support me in the future and going forward. Now let's get into the video. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Become Calisthenics. Today I'll be showing you some ab and core workouts that you can do at home. Now these ab and core workouts are designed to help you strengthen your core and help you get that definition. Because especially in calisthenics, you really need a good amount of core strength in order to be able to do stuff like handstands, front levers, back levers, any skill work that requires you to have a good strength amount of core. So these can be done at home. For this one of the workouts, you will need an ab roller. But these aren't really expensive. You find these at Walmart, or you don't have to use an ab roller. You can probably even use like dumbbells. Works the same thing. So if you're ready for this ab and core workout, please hit like and subscribe. Now let's get into it. So the first one we're going to be doing is ab roller. Whenever doing these, you want to make sure that you have a flat back. You don't want to have your back arch because you're not really working your core. You're just working your back, and that can go into injury. So you want to make sure you're flexing your core the whole time while doing this. Like I said, make sure you're flexing your core whenever doing this one. And this is one of my favorite workouts to do because it really flexes your core. You really have to flex your core the whole time and not really rely on your back too much because you really want to, it really strengthens your core, really helps you focus on that core more instead of your back. So for these next ones, we're going to be doing a timer. So if you have a phone with you, we're going to be doing a timer workout. So this next workout is going to be plank. Same thing, you don't want your back arch. You want to make sure you have your back straight and your core flex. And we're going to be going for a minute. Like I said, make sure you're flexing your core the whole time. Don't arch your back because it's just gonna go into injury and you're not gonna really focus on the core more and you won't focus on the core. So this next one is going to be a really great strength building for like stuff like handstands and front levers. It's called hollow body holds. So you're basically kind of like mimicking how you would do it in the handstand whenever you're straight because you're having to flex your core and lay down. But on this one, you're just laying down and having your arms back. So and for this one, we're also gonna go for 30 seconds. So what you wanna do, make sure you have your back straight the whole time. Don't arch your back. And just lift your legs and flex. When doing this move, it can be a little challenging the longer it gets, but if you're having trouble, you can also do them tuck or one-legged. So, same thing. This is one-legged, and then you can maybe hold for like 30 seconds, 15 seconds, and then switch, or you can do them tuck. Same thing. But when doing these on either variation, make sure you're not arching your lower back, as I keep saying, because you're not really flexing your core, you're just relying on your back the whole time, and that's not what you want. You want to make sure your core is flexed so you get the proper range of motion. All right, so for this next one, we're going to be doing side planks. It's the same thing as a regular plank, but this time you're focusing on your sides more instead of your whole core, which is great for strengthening the sides core and getting that definition. So on this one, you want to move to your side. You can either go in with forearm or straight out, but for this one, I'm gonna go with forearm. And then just hold and go for 30 seconds. And then whenever 30 seconds hits, you do the other side. Like I said, it's a really great core strengthener for your sides as well as your entire core. For this other one now, we're going to be doing crunches. Now I know a lot of people say crunches don't really do anything, but it's a great way to like close out a workout, especially if you're tired, because you're going to really focus on the core more because you're going to be like flexing the core the whole time. So it's a really great finisher. So that's what we're going to be doing. Also, as well as a Russian twist after crunches, because that's also a really great finisher. So for crunches, I'm gonna go for 15. And for the last finisher, the Russian twist. You can have them, your legs floating in the air, or you can have them on the ground. Have them floating in the air for a little more difficulty. So. That is the calisthenic ab and core workout. Like I said, it's destined for you to help strengthen your core and your abs for things, for skills such as like handstands, front lever, back lever, planche, any skills, calisthenic skills that require you to have a really good core strength. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more content like these. Thank you.